Want a great way to leave a lasting impression with your clients? Put your brand on the pieces you make for them. I actually ordered this a couple months ago. It takes a minute for it to come in. On their site, you can order the iron, you can order the head. I actually ordered mine as a gift set, which makes it just a little bit cheaper. And what they're gonna send you is the electric handle in a box, along with a voucher to go on a website to order your branding head for free. And then that's gonna take 4 to 6 weeks for that to actually show up at your door. When I checked the mail this morning, mine was here, so we're just gonna dive into a few test pieces here. I'm gonna let you know exactly what I think about it, and we're gonna see just how easy these electric branding irons are to use. Let's get to it. Now to use this, it's got a little set screw. You're gonna loosen that set screw, you're gonna insert your branding iron all the way into the handle, and then tighten that up to make sure that everything's nice and secure. These get really hot, you can really mess yourself up, or you can mess up the piece that you're working on. Set the tool on the stand, move the switch to on, and let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once that brass is heated for 15 to 20 minutes, then you're good to press it to your piece. Make sure when you press, you give it a good 4 to 5 seconds to let that burn. It's gonna look like you're over burning your project, but really what you're wanting to do is create a recess down into the top of your wood, your leather, whatever material it is that you're working with, and then come back with a sander and knock off all that excess burning. That's gonna leave everything nice and uniform for you. It should be nice and crisp. It might take a little playing around with it. As you can see, I've done a handful of tests here just to really get a feel for how it works. But I think I've really worked one out that I'm really happy with. I'd be happy putting this on the side or on the underside of one of my furniture pieces. And really one of the best ways to ensure that your business is going to be successful is to turn it into a brand. So it takes a little bit of finesse, it takes a little bit of really figuring out the correct time that you need to let it heat, the correct time that you need to hold to your piece in order to get the exact look that you're going for. Let's sand these back and see exactly how they came out. That's all I've got today. We're gonna keep it nice and sweet. Keep this video short. This is my review of the Rockler custom branding iron. Absolutely love it. I give it 5 out of 5. I would take this over having to heat an iron with a torch all day long. Hopefully you guys pick one up for your shop. I'll leave a link down in the description. I'm not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with these guys. I just got it in the mail this morning. Absolutely love the tool. Thought I'd come in here to the shop and tell you guys about it. As always, be sure to subscribe to the channel, follow the link to the next video, and I'll catch you in the shop for another one.